Hey, I wanted to talk about just like I, I realize I'm chasing dopamine so much of the time, and obviously dopamine isn't real love, real anything, right? It's not. I mean, obviously the natural endorphins we get from like working out is a good thing, but like dopamine in the sense of like looking for that quick fix of like whether it's whatever, like looking on my phone or whatever it is, or or like that validation from somebody saying like complimenting you or whatever it is. I notice my brain is just always like focused on the dopamine hit. Like, okay, I need some validation, like, and it's like or some dopamine, and yeah, I don't know. I just noticed that with myself, and but I didn't even realize that before. So I'm thankful God helped me realize that. But it's just, and I realize how empty it is truly. Like when you search for that, like it never satisfies. Like spending an hour with God. Yeah, I go through minutes and stuff where I'm like, okay, this is not peace. But a lot of time, and that's just my own fault of like letting the thoughts take over a little bit. But what I realize is like God is peace, and it's not just like it's not like this goosebumps feeling or like all the time where like, oh, that's the only time you feel God is when there are goosebumps or whatever. It's like, no, that's not true. And also like it's not true that God's in that dopamine hit of like of those of those that phone, It's like that's not real love, that's not God's love, that's not God's intent. It's just like distraction, from the actual thing. But anyways, I realize the more I'm doing stillness lately, and the more I'm like the more I'm still I realize that God the more I like I don't think I need stillness, the more I need it, if that makes sense. Like I'm like, oh, like I don't want to do it. Or the more I don't want to do it, the stillness, the more I need it, So it's like just further away from the stillness is more distraction, more noise, more whatever it is, music, whatever. So anyways, God bless you. If you're wanting to grow in God, I would recommend stillness. Just be still for like 15 minutes every day. 10 minutes, even 5 minutes is fine, but like whatever you can do. And just watch the thoughts go by. Close your eyes, no distractions, no worship music, no nothing. Just watch the thoughts go by. But anyways, God bless you guys.